welcome to MACH 2024. We've got a really exciting announcement to make for you. But before we talk about this exciting announcement, Giampaolo, you represent a company called Bucci Industries. You've got a great, an amazing announcement to give us soon. But first of all, who are Bucci Industries?
Yes, I know. Bucci, the name Bucci is not very popular in the UK because we have just settled as a Bucci UK organization. But the reality, we are in the country since over 30 years under the brand of IEMCA. IEMCA is the world leader of manufacturing bar feeder. And now we are present under the name of Bucci, that is our holding company and distribution company, just to be closer to our customers.
Yeah, absolutely. And for those unfamiliar with IEMCA, as you said, a world-leading manufacturer of bar feeders, what else should people know about IEMCA as a brand?
IEMCA as a brand is very well known. We are producing over 7,000 bar feeder a year, so worldwide. We are present in almost 20 countries. Okay, you can get a lot on our website. You can see a lot in our in other videos. So there's a lot of the UK customer can find over there.
Absolutely. I know a lot of people can find IEMCA online, a lot of MTD videos on that bar feeder as well.
That's
what
right.
I find fascinating as well is sometimes bar feeding machinery is sometimes overlooked in a turning machine shop.
But I have to say, very often it is not really well understood, the importance of the ancillary equipment around the machine tools. So the customer often concentrated in buying a very expensive machine, and they underestimate the importance of the ancillary equipment, all of them. The bar feeder, for instance, holds 3/4 of the bar inside. So when the bar rotates, it's very important to get the maximum result from the machine tool to have behind a first quality bar feeder. Very stiff, very reliable, and very performing.
Absolutely. So an IEMCA bar feeder can actually improve what happens at the front of the machine tool as well. It's really
That's right.
important.
This is a reason why we designed these machines so stiff and so performing.
Absolutely. And you've got an announcement to make here for MACH 2024.
Yes.
What is the announcement?
It's a great, honestly, I'm personally very much emotional about that because after over 30 years we are in the country, we are now reaching the country direct. So we have just opened our company here. So we have worked for decades with a partner. We thank them a lot. But now we have decided to follow different routes. We remain good customers, good friends, but we are separated. We still have the pleasure to work with CSJ, that is our service partner, and that's why we have settled ourselves in Cheltenham in order to have our sales and service location all together.
Yeah, absolutely. So why is it important that you can now sell direct to customers here in the UK?
This is a good point. The reason why we are going more and more direct worldwide, including now in the UK, it is because we want to explain to the customer the good reason why they have to buy the product. So all the point of advantage of our products, we want to stay close to them to understand their needs, the specific need they have, and to bring them solution promptly.
Absolutely. And how can you support customers of existing IEMCA bar feeders, and how can you support customers looking to buy an IEMCA bar feeder today?
So we have now a team capable to sell, so to explain also technically the good reason why they have to buy or they could buy an IEMCA bar feeder. If they are an existing customer, we can support them with after-sales service. And another part of the team is dedicated in implementing our CRM in the market. So we will be capable to map and monitor all machines as never we have done before.
Fantastic. So there you have it. Exciting news here at MACH 2024. IEMCA bar feeders are now supplied direct by Bucci UK, also supported by Bucci Industries.